Like the biggest investor is a recent investor in GameStop that wanted to help out as well. He's the one who's gained the most because of this boom. His name is Ryan Cohen, and he bought 10% of GameStop in August. He's the co-founder of Chewy, the website selling like dog stuff, dog food, pet stuff. And his $75 million investment is now worth $1.3 billion at the new stock price.
Wow.
He had no idea he was going to become part of a meme, of an internet meme. He's made $90 million per day since this thing took off.
That's insane.
It's all kinds of weird collateral stuff. The market is not used to this type of behavior, and I don't know how it's going to adapt.
And he didn't know about this.
Maybe he did.
Maybe.
He's like, I just got to get in Wall Street bets.
Yeah.
Start stonking around, and next thing you know, 1.3 billies. But don't you feel like GameStop kind of aligns itself well in a way with meme culture? Like everyone knows what it is. It was failing publicly and horribly. It's kind of the perfect one.
Yeah.
It's recognizable. It's quick. It's easy. But anyway, the same thing is happening with BlackBerry and a number of other stocks as well. They have created more than $2 billion in personal wealth for the company's three biggest investors. Just through this, I mean, they shut down the stock. Had to freeze for a while because of all the activity, craziness going on. There's plenty of critics that hate it. They're like, oh, all these youngsters messing with my portfolio. But this is the reality of everybody being in the market, of everybody having trading apps. Reality of the situation is some people, it's entertainment. And you don't get to select how and what people find entertaining, even if it's heavy boosting a stock, even if it's memeing around.
And everyone has time now because of COVID.
Everybody has time and is lacking entertainment.
Yeah.
All right, so the last one on this, and this is in line with what I was saying. You can skip this one, actually. Yeah, right over here. Online trading platforms see a surge in usage as Redditors take on Wall Street. So trading apps, such as Robinhood and Webull, have climbed in U.S. iPhone app rankings. A frenzy of speculation. Shares of GameStop started climbing wildly on Friday in an epic short squeeze. The brick-and-mortar video game retailer has gained a reputation as the most hated stock on Wall Street. And I think one of the reasons this thing accelerated was Elon Musk getting involved and going on Twitter and saying what he said. But the thing to remember there is he's the CEO and founder of a company that has also been heavily shorted on Wall Street, and he hates it for obvious reasons. Huge amounts of money betting against you is not an ideal scenario. And so I think he felt there was some like kind of sympathy there.
Yeah.
Where he loved to see these hedge funds get cooked a little bit. Other favorites of the group include BlackBerry and retail chain Bed Bath & Beyond. These are brands you were wondered if they had any future at all. So as far as Robinhood is concerned, it hit a record on market intelligence firm Apptopia's app rankings on Tuesday. It ranked number 8 in the company's list of top iOS apps in the U.S. overall. Number 8 overall for a stock trading app. Ridiculous. And of course, in the financial segment, it was number 1. It's seen usage creep up over the past couple of weeks, with the number of daily sessions registered when a user opens an app rising to 3.8 million on January 26th, which is, almost to 3.6 million on January 17th. So, they're up another 200,000, but it's like almost 4 million people opening the app every day.
Wow.
People are having fun, Will. You can't tell people how to have fun. You can't tell them what to invest in. People can choose.
Yeah.
Do what they want to do and boost these apps in the meantime. So it's just one more video game in our simulated thing that we call reality.